Welcome back, Southern California, AM 1220 KHTS. This is your host, Fred Arnold, on the Santa Clarita Valley Chamber of Commerce Business Spotlight. I'm with Stephen Skiles. Did I get that right?
Correct.
Skiles. What a beautiful name. I love
thank
that.
you.
Skiles, Sky, from Peaceful Reflections. Now, Stephen, we got to make this upbeat because
Most
it's a
certainly.
subject matter that's a lot of people don't like to talk about.
It most certainly is. It's one of those things that just people want to avoid till it's actually too late.
Yeah, until they have to talk about it. And having older parents and having those that where you know quite a few people and you have to give advice. So you have a relative that passes on and you're looking at your services, which are?
Well, we're a direct cremation service provider, and what that means, basically, we perform all the same services as a traditional mortuary or cemetery that has a funeral home. We are a licensed funeral home, to include picking up an individual when they pass away, bringing them into our care. They're kept here in our care center located here in Santa Clarita Valley. We perform all the necessary documentation dealing with the state, the county, the registrar's office. If we have to work with the coroner, we work with the doctor to get the death certificate signed, filed with the state, perform the actual cremation itself, and then release the remains back to the family so that their loved ones can come home.
And those that would like to plan ahead of time, so that their loved ones don't have to deal with that aspect of it, especially in a time of grief, or reflecting upon a positive life. If somebody's really had a full life, which we all want to do someday, and feel we did, and feel we have. You can come in ahead of time and get some advice before the need.
Most certainly. We will assist anybody under any circumstance, whether it be at the time of need or in advance of the need, or even if they just want somebody to talk to about it because they're not sure. We're there to answer those questions for them.
Let's talk about affordability, because that is very important to those at the last minute when you're making these decisions. Sometimes it can be a little more expensive because you haven't pre-planned it. You haven't shopped it. It's not something you would normally shop ahead of time, but affordability.
Well, affordability, our direct cremation price for everything that we've discussed is $895. That includes everything. We are a lot less than most traditional mortuaries in the aspect we don't have the same overhead that they do because we don't have the chapels and everything where they can have a visitation or a wake or something like that. We're strictly designed for those who want a direct cremation. They're not having a big service. If they're going to have a memorial service at a church with their loved one present after the fact in an urn, that's what we're here for.
And that works out good for many.
Yes.
Because that's where they're going to have their service, so those can pay the last respects.
Exactly. And it also gives them more time to work on it. What happens a lot of times when people pass away, especially if it's unexpected, is they're scrambling to get everything done. They're trying to coordinate the church, the chapel, the funeral service, the embalming, all that. And this avoids that issue because now they can relax and concentrate on a little bit of healing as well as getting the arrangements made, because we'll have everything done for them when it comes time.
Yeah. Those that want to reach out to you and reach you during time of need, how do they reach you?
They can either call us at 661-251-0500, and that's 24/7. They will always get a funeral director, no matter what time, or on our website, which is peacefulreflections.net.
Peacefulreflections.net. Well, thank you for coming in and sharing that important information. And those that see this online, important to pre-plan because you never know. But let's not stop thinking about tomorrow.
Exactly.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Stephen Skiles from Peaceful Reflections on AM 1220 KHTS.